PIP and ESA benefit claimants put on high alert as DWP sends important letter. People who claim personal independence payment, PIP, alongside employment and support allowance should be on high alert for an important letter from the Department for Work and Pensions. This combination of benefits could see your payments halted when the DWP migrates claimants onto universal credit as part of managed migration, experts say. Advisors at Spencer Churchill Claims have said people claiming ESA alongside PIP should be on high alert, adding that if you've received a letter from the DWP since the start of September, it is vital that you act to make the transition to universal credit as soon as possible. If you ignore the letter, your payments could be stopped just ahead of Christmas, the claims expert said, potentially causing serious financial difficulties. You should also be aware of the coming changes if you're on 6 of the most common benefits, reports Birmingham Live. The expert continued, the move to universal credit will affect those currently claiming 6 types of support: child tax credit, housing benefit, income support, income-based job seekers allowance, income-related ESA, and working tax credit. It's crucial for people on these benefits to pay attention to any letters from the DWP. You have 3 months from the date of your letter to make a claim, otherwise you could lose your entitlements entirely. On universal credit, most claimants will receive the same amount or more compared to their previous benefits, but this is not guaranteed. If you are worse off under universal credit, you may be entitled to a top-up called transitional protection, which will cover the difference. However, this protection is only available if you respond to the DWP's migration notice in time and make your claim before the deadline. Any changes in circumstances could also impact how much you receive. Under a process named Managed Migration, the Department for Work and Pensions is currently moving people from other benefits to universal credit, UC. The process started in 2022 and is expected to be completed by March 2025. The claims advice expert added, the process of managed migration is already underway, and those affected by the changes need to ensure they act quickly. Failing to respond to the DWP letter within 3 months risks losing the support you've relied on. The sooner you make the switch, the sooner your current payments can be protected under universal credit, including any transitional protection that might apply. For those worried about a potential reduction in benefits, transitional protection payments will continue until your universal credit matches what you were receiving on legacy benefits. However, this only applies if you claim by the deadline and meet the requirements. Acting now will safeguard your finances as you transition to the new system.